Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to give you an update on the Manley International Airport getting the aerodrome operator certification. Now, although the airport operates as an international airport, recently they have this International Civil Aviation Organization that Jamaica joined. And that organization has certain requirements or basically certifications, etc. It doesn't really affect the operation of the airport. The airport is now certified under the ICAO system so that it meets certain requirements. And the aerodrome certification, a process mandated by ICAO and detailed in the organization's Annex 14, ensures that these facilities meet safety and operational standards, ultimately guaranteeing the safe movement of aircraft and passengers. So the Manley International Airport recently got this certification. Now the Sangster International Airport, which is the largest airport in Jamaica and the busiest airport in Jamaica, has had that certification for quite some years now. So it is just the Manley International Airport that is catching up. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this. The Airports Authority of Jamaica has congratulated PAC Kingston Airports Limited, PACL, on receiving its aerodrome operator certification from the Jamaica Civil Aviation Authority for the operation of the Manley International Airport. Speaking during the recent certification ceremony at the JCAA's office in Kingston, AAJ President and Chief Executive Officer Alder Diedrich explained that certification of airports and aerodromes has been a long-standing requirement of the International Civil Aviation Organization. He further stated that the regulation was first promulgated by ICAO local representative, the JCAA, in 1998. Mr. Diedrich highlighted the journey to aerodrome certification for Jamaica's two large international airports. It took some time for international airports to put all the pieces in place to meet the requirements of certification. That is not to say the airports were not pursuing maintenance of ICAO standards and operating procedures, but certification is a rigorous process. While Sangster International Airport in Montego Bay took the bold step many years earlier, it took NMIA a few years longer. And under my management as CEO in 2019, we were certified for the first time, he stated. Mr. Diedrich noted that while NMIA were certified on the NMIA Airports Limited, PACL's new management team would require their own certification to continue overseeing the facility. Having handed PACL the airport in 2019, one of the requirements was that they must obtain their own certification, and they were given a timeline of 2 years, he informed. However, the COVID-19 pandemic delayed the process as the airport was forced to pivot to deal with the consequences of the health emergency. Mr. Diedrich had high praises for the PACL management team, which was lauded for remaining steadfast in the face of challenges sparked by the pandemic. Alright guys, so that is the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.